We're going to be changing the oil on this earthquake tiller. It's got the 6.5 horse Briggs & Stratton. This is earthquake model number 3365B. And I'm going to do it the kind of quickie, cheapy, lazy way. And I'm going to use an extraction pump instead of taking off all the guards and all that crap and risking getting oil on the belt. So we'll get started in a second. Okay, I let the engine run for a couple minutes, get it warm. Just pull out the dipstick on this guy. It's pretty nasty. The owner said that as far as he's owned this thing, he's never changed the oil. So that's always fun. On here, it has your lines for how much oil to add and all that. But also tells you 20 ounces. You probably can't see that. But 20 ounces max, so that's good to know. Set your dipstick down. I just grab my fancy soap pump, sticks all the way down in there, and then just start pumping. There you go. Takes a few pumps to get it primed. And since this motor naturally tilts back like this, I think this is a good method because you're going to get most of the oil anyway. So just pump, pump, pump until it's all empty. Since this oil was so bad, came out looking like tar, I'm just going to dump some cheapy oil in there. I pumped out everything I could. I'm just going to add, I don't know, 5 or 6 ounces. And then I'm going to put the dipstick back in and start it up for just a second. Okay, I added the cheapy oil. Let it run for just 10 seconds. I'm going to wipe off the dipstick, set her down, and I'm going to go through and pump again. It seems to be pretty empty. I'm just going to add the new oil. I'm using, again, I'm using this Amsoil small engine oil. I like it because it's designed specifically for small engines. I'm sure any 3008 or 530 or 1030 would work, but I feel most comfortable using this, so this is what I'm using, especially when it's not my own stuff. These have a pretty big mouth, so you don't really need a funnel. And then just pour it in until you got your 20 ounces. Okay, I added my oil. Before I added all of it, I put the back tires up on a 4x4, so then the engine is relatively level. And then you just check your oil level. Slowly add the rest in. And you want it there up at just over that second hole. So full. That's it. And let her buck.